The VEVOR 4-gallon mini-tank water heater is designed with a robust stainless steel construction that efficiently delivers hot water continuously for a full day. Its powerful 1440-watt heating element can rapidly heat water to a maximum temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring quick access to hot water. Equipped with a temperature-pressure safety valve, this heater provides an added layer of protection against potential risks, making it a safe choice for everyday use. The 4-gallon capacity is more than sufficient for various domestic tasks, helping to reduce water waste by eliminating the need to wait for hot water to reach the faucet. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its compact design and clear instructions, allowing it to be conveniently mounted on a wall or shelf. User-friendly features such as LED lights for temperature monitoring and an easy-to-use knob for adjusting the temperature enhance the overall experience.